So we have started with the database. We understand the importance of database. We have done the installation process. After installation, we have created a table. CREAT create. Firstly, we created a database. Then we have created a table. CREAT. Okay. After creating table, we inserted the records and we have done the basic selects operations. Okay. Up to now we have done. We know now the database is a collection of similar data. Okay. In the database, the data is stored in the form of tables. Perfect. So tables, we can decide whatever the data we want to store. Accordingly, we can create the columns based on the number of fields. As of now, we have done one contact table. We are trying to store a data or the contact data. So we have a table now with the help of name is contact. And even we also done that for creating every table, there should be one unique key, and that key is known as in primary key. Okay. So we have done that all the things. And even though we know the basic selection, we have inserted a many records and we have done only one select query, that is select star from. Okay. What we have done the query, select star from table name. For example, our table name is a contact. So here the star means all the fields. The meaning of star is all the field. So, all field. FIEL with all record. All field, all records. Okay. So this query we have done. So now we are going to see some select combinations, and also we are going to learn today, that is one. Yes. Mhm.
The PG admin server is shut down before proceeding with the upgrade.
I think you already have installed, but you're trying to install once again, though. That is a problem.
Yes, sir, but it's
Uh,
but like never a search.
Sometime it not shown, but it is acting now. You can start search once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Go to the start and then search PG admin. Okay. It may show the records. Like you can see the my screen. If I going to start, I'm searching the PG admin here. Okay. It's showing. Okay.
Yes.
If it is not coming, then the option is to be, okay, like uninstall the previous things and install it again. That may be the reason.
No, the first option when I searched it was like to install it again
Mm-hmm.
from there, like not from Google,
Mm-hmm.
from the application which is already in Microsoft. The Microsoft which
Is that possible to share your screen, because that is only the solution you can find it out.
yes, just a minute. I'll be
Yeah.
joining.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So up to this, we have done select and all the records. If you see that combinations, this is our server. We have done many databases here. Within database, which database name you have created? I think school is a database, and the table in this form of schemas, there is a table called contact. So right click here, the query tools. So this tool will be get open. Up to now we have done one single query, that is select star from table name, CONTACT contact. Okay, fine. So now we can going to see the some select combination. Star will select all the record with all the column fields. What if you want to select only name and mobile number? Then you have to specify the column name here, name, comma, mobile. from a contact. Okay. What will it do? It will select only the name and column from the table. You can see that. This is one of the options. Star will select all field wall record, and this will select only a specific record that we have selected. Okay. This is one
So
combination.
I'm not able to join.
Yeah, let me stop my sharing. Okay.
No, sir, I'm not able to join from my laptop. If I'm joining, it's showing the same screen like join here.
I think you can left from the phone. You already
Yes, sir.
joined, and then try to
No,
join it from
no,
laptops.
yes, I left from my phone. I did join from my laptop.
Yeah.
Your voice was coming, but it was showing camera like we enter on Google Meet.
Now I have stopped my sharing. Try it now, whether it is allowing us. Insert into contact. Let me take one simple topic and then we'll come with that points to contact and the fields. Okay, so this is one combination. If you want to select all the record, you just select. If you want to select specific record, this. Okay. And let's see some one clause is there. If you want to select some conditional records,
Share
then
screen is not.
okay, I've stopped my sharing. Let me share it one second. It's just a 5 minutes task, so then you can share your try to screen. Let's solve that problems. Yeah, can you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The very first query we have seen after table creation and inserting a record, that is select star from contact. The star will select all field with all the records that we already have this much fields and this much record. Then after that, if you want a specific columns, for example, you want to only name and the mobile, then select the column name separated by comma. So that suppose you want only name, mobile number, and the city, so comma SIT, comma city. So it will select only these columns: name, mobile number, city. This is one option. But if you want to some filtration, suppose you want only people from the Nasik city, only from the Pune city, then there is a clause like in programming we are using if else. There is something called where select star from contact. Okay, you can use a where clause. It's for the conditional clause. From which city do you want the people to find? From the Nasik cities. Where city is equal to Nasik. Where city is equal to Nasik. So this is condition based program. Now it will select only record from the Nasik city. See, the Nasik city. In similar manner, if you are want the detail from Pune city, you can specify here instead of Nasik, you can specify Pune. It will give the record from the Pune city. Okay, like this, you can add the condition of any ways, like you are filtering now the city base. Then further, if you want the only those whose gender is a male people you want to find, then you can specify gender is equal to male. Okay. So where clause is for the specific condition, only the male candidate will be here. Okay. Then you want the females, that also you can do female candidate, female. Perfect. Apart from this, you can add all the mathematical expression as well. Means greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, all that things. Suppose you want to people whose age is greater than 18, then you can use this greater than 18 is. Okay. In similar manner, you can use a less than also, where age less than 18. So that also record can be fine. Less than 18. Okay. If you want equal, that also you can do. 12. Okay, so there are many condition greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, all the condition you can give with the help of this. Okay, so only selecting all the record is not important. You want some filtrations, so like this you can add a filtrations. Okay, there are many filtration that we look after Diwali, but we are just started and we have some basic select combinations here, that is kind of things. Okay, thanks.